Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. As in our last lecture, we discussed about different factors which affect the speed of sound. We discussed how density, pressure, and speed of wind affect the speed of sound. Now, in this lecture, we discuss about the last factor, that is temperature, and we studied how temperature affect the speed of sound. As in our previous lecture, we derived the formula that V is equal to gamma RT divided by M. By this expression, by this formula, it is clear that speed of sound is directly proportional to square root of T. Here, gamma is constant, R is also a constant, and M is mass, it's also a constant value. So we can say that V, that is speed of sound, is directly proportional to square root of T. Whenever there is increase of temperature, the speed of sound increases, and whenever temperature of the medium decreases, the speed of sound also decreases. There is direct relation between speed of sound and temperature. If we talk about solid and liquid medium, then increase or decrease of temperature not affect the speed of sound, but in case of gaseous medium, there is a measurable effect of speed of sound, measurable effect of temperature over a speed of sound. We can neglect the temperature effect over speed of sound in case of solid and liquid medium, but we not neglect it in case of gaseous medium, because there is considerable change in speed of sound due to changing temperature of the gaseous medium. Now, if we want to find out how speed of sound varies with temperature, let's we consider that speed of sound is V naught at temperature T naught. This temperature T naught is certain initial temperature, that is 0 centigrade, or in Kelvin we can say that 0 centigrade plus 273 Kelvin. At this temperature, speed of sound is V naught. Now we can write the expression for speed of sound at temperature T naught, that's equal to 0 centigrade or 273 Kelvin, that V naught is equal to gamma or T naught divided by M. T naught is a temperature which is equal to 0 centigrade or 273 Kelvin, and V naught is the speed of sound in gaseous medium at that temperature. Now, temperature of a medium increases from 0 centigrade to any temperature T centigrade. Okay? Now, due to increase of temperature, or we said that there is change of temperature, now speed of sound also changes with respect to temperature. At that temperature, that's equal to T centigrade, the speed of sound, it's equal to V. We can write the expression for speed of sound at that temperature T centigrade, V is equal to gamma RT divided by M, where T is any temperature which is equal to T centigrade. T centigrade we mean it's any temperature, 5 centigrade, 30 centigrade, 90 centigrade. At any temperature, speed of sound is V. You know that unit of temperature is SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. So if we write this temperature in Kelvin, we can write that T centigrade plus 273 Kelvin is 0 centigrade is equal to 273 Kelvin. So if we want to convert the temperature at temperature which is in centigrade to Kelvin, then we just add the 273 with a given temperature which expressed in units of centigrade. Now, the expression for speed of sound at that temperature, which is T centigrade or T centigrade plus 273 Kelvin, that's V is equal to gamma RT divided by M.